Imagine sitting in your driver's seat, turning the key, and absolutely nothing happens, or even worse. Your car starts but feels like it is gasping for air while that dreaded check engine light stares you down. If you have scanned your car and found a P0611 code, you are looking at a fuel injector control module performance issue, which basically means the brain of your fuel system is having a bit of an internal crisis. This is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code that you will see on plenty of vehicles, especially those tough Ford Powerstroke diesels or Toyotas. And it usually means the powertrain control module, or PCM, has spotted a glitch in how it is managing the injectors. Sometimes this controller is its own separate box, but usually it is tucked right inside the main engine computer to save space. Every single time you turn that key to the on position, your car runs a massive series of internal self-tests, almost like a pilot checking their instruments before takeoff. It even uses the controller area network, or CIN, to make sure all the different modules are talking to each other and playing nice. If the computer realizes it cannot accurately spray fuel when it needs to, it throws this code and might even leave you stranded in a no-start condition. You might notice your engine performance dropping off a cliff or your fuel economy going down the drain. To fix this, you really need to be thorough because diagnosing an internal computer error is a real headache even for the pros. You will need a good scanner and a digital voltometer, or DVOM, to start poking around. Before you go out and buy a super expensive new computer, check those power supply codes first. I always tell people to clear the codes and see if it comes back during a test drive, but if it does, you need to dig into the technical service bulletins, or TSBs. For your specific model, look for any signs of water damage or loose grounds. And remember that if you do have to replace the module, it almost always needs to be programmed to your specific vehicle using special software. Test those fuses under a real load too, because a fuse can look perfectly fine until you actually try to pull power through it.